Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to save analysis in chess.com. Now, if you want to save your analysis for a game, it's actually quite simple. Do take note that if you're using or playing on chess.com for free, you only get to have one analysis or one review per day. If you want to have more, you need to be a Diamond member. So get the Diamond membership and you'll be able to review and analyze every game you want. So for this example, we're just going to scroll down until we choose the game that we want to analyze and review. So we click on this game. There we go. Once we are here, we want to click on game review and then you pop up a new tab will appear. There you go. Let's wait for it to load. There you go. Click on start review and just go all the way to the end of the game. And then you want to click on the 3, 2, 1. You want to click on the magnifying glass on the upper right corner like so. And here it's going to be analysis, right? So here you want to click on save. If you click on save, this spot will appear. So just create a new collection or just copy a shareable link so you can send it to whoever you want to send the analysis to so you can pretty much learn and review everything together. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribing. That bell icon will see you on the next video.